Welcome to Riverwatch in Burlington, where city energy meets easy living. Just steps from the bike path, UVM, and the medical center, this location connects you to everything Burlington has to offer. This first-floor end-unit condo is part of a pet-friendly community with underground parking, secure entry, and a summer pool, perfect for relaxing close to home. Inside, you'll find a brand new kitchen shines with stainless steel appliances and modern countertops. The single-level layout with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and thoughtful updates throughout. Enjoy a private back deck with seasonal views of the Winooski River and city skyline, and the convenience of being close to everything Burlington has to offer. Riverwatch, Burlington. The perfect balance of style, location, and convenience.